Hello and welcome to Nami Analysis. This is your host Nami. Please bear with me as this is the first video of the channel. Also, the following information is not financial advice but educational to help you with understanding the market in the future week. And these videos are gonna uploaded weekly, mostly on Saturdays and Sundays. One video is going to be about the crypto and another one is going to be about the gold. So there will be a clear vision from coming week for you. In this episode, we will check crypto market, opportunities, news, thoughts, etc., everything you name it. Basically, you should have some basic knowledge about the market, so it's going to be easier to understand the videos. I will try to explain everything in a clear language so everybody can understand. But later on, I'm going to upload the video for the basics so everybody can learn and enjoy the market. So, let's get to it. I don't want to make the long video. We're going to start with the Bitcoin monthly charts. As you can see, the higher the time frame is going to be, you're going to understand better the price section. So, as you can see, in the monthly, let me say that there is no volume in this market these days, mostly because it is the summertime, it was the summertime, and in summer markets don't have a lot of volume, especially crypto. Another thing is we are end of the cycle of QT. If you don't know what QT it is, it's a quantitative tightening from Federal Reserves, which they take back all the extra monies they printed, taking back, weaken the economy, try to bring down the inflation and everything else around it. And also, we are in the middle of the recession. They will not tell you that, but everybody in the market knows we are in the recession. So, we had a resistance here and a support created on the monthly time frame. I'm gonna unhide my analyst. As we can see here, it was the FTX crash, and after that the Luna crash. From here, probably, we go to the weekly, we will see that the candles with the long wicks and small bodies shows us there is no volume in the market. But this week so far, it was so good. And today is the 30th of September and end day of the month. So we will have to see how this monthly candle gonna close. Have it in mind that we are still in low volume range, so we have to be very patient with the market. Let me tell you the very short analysis about how you can have a swing trade on the BTC, right? So, as you can see, let me go to the daily. I'll try to make it fast. I'm not really into the trend lines, but in this case, it worked. We have one touch, two, and this is a 3-1. This is a base, or the support, as we say. From here, if everything goes well for the market, we can have anticipating of broken the trend line. The next target is going to be here, another one here. This touch, I mean. All the probabilities of the market is about the numbers that are coming, like the CPI, inflation, GDP, all the data. Federal Reserve is monitoring that, and they act depends on them numbers that they are seeing. So everything is probability, have it in mind. But if everything were good about the market, is going to be good for the market, we can anticipate a little low risk buy these areas. If you had it from here, much better. This area is a good place to risk a bit. If the trend line is broken and it's come down to retest the trend line, you can add more to your trade. The first TP is going to be around 28, let's say. The second target is going to be on the top of here, 30,000. In the very, very good case, these numbers. Anyway, this is the first video. I'm trying to keep it short and simple. If there is any question, you can comment it below, and I can explain everything more for you. Let's check the newses and the calendar. This is the Bitcoin. For now, is our main target is Bitcoin because there is no volume in the market. I repeat it for 3 or 4 times, I guess. We can see the total, let me find, yes. We can see the crypto total market cap. As you can see, we are around 1 trillion-ish, which is not very good. We can see there is a little volume here, as seeing the previous ones. The top was 3 trillion. And for here, the QT that I told started. This is the area when COVID were here. And the vaccine, which the news pushed the price higher. And then the QT started because of the inflation. And we were in the bear market. But we should have this in our mind, that this bear market is not going to last forever. Market's going to be change the direction somewhere around here. I believe that this trend line, which from early 2020 started, and we had the very beautiful bull market, still we have the trend line, didn't break it. Once it touched, give us a nice profit here. Another area is here, and we are at the end of the cycle. We will have few months to more recession or soft landing as they want, but maybe it's not. It's going to be, maybe it's a deep recession. But I guess the soft landing is most probability. So this area is a good area to see, but we still have to wait. If we reject this zone here, we will go down to the trend line, and then we will see what's going to happen. First of all, the important thing is you have to wait for the candle to be closed. Last month, we had the very strong bearish candle, which everybody will say, it goes down, it goes down, it goes down. But always sell the rumor, buy the news. You know what I mean? Or maybe opposites. Okay. Enough with the charts for today's video. Let's check the fear and greed index for the last month. Every week was in the same area, which is neutral. Mostly when it's in the fear, it's a good point to buy. And when it's in the greed, it means it's good to sell. But we can trust this. Okay, let's see what we're gonna have in the next week. And next week, on Monday, we have the ICM manufacturing PMI. We had the Fed Chair Powell speech, very important. The speeches these days going to give us a direction about how hawkish or dovish going to be. Nothing very important here. We should have an eye on the services PMI. Again, Fed speech. So we're going to be a very volatile week for us. And on the Friday, we have a non-farm payrolls, NFP, and unemployment rates. We will have a move before this news and after this news. Be sure about this. Okay, let's check some news and thoughts about the crypto market. The Three Arrows Capital co-founder, Su Zhu, if I'm spelling it right, is apprehended in the Singapore while trying to leave the country on Friday. That was nice to know. The second one, the news is about the Curve Finance, which it pays a little bit of their debts to the Aave company, the Aave coin that you know, the company giving loans. Another thing is the Google Cloud is now one of the validators of the Polygon network, which is a very good, very, very good news about the Polygon, I guess. Another news is about the SEC, which postponed the Bitcoin ETF decisions until 2024, but they can't postpone it forever, you know. Someday they have to check and answer the decisions. We have a few news about the Binance. Let me tell you another SEC, which is Investor Galaxy just filed the spot Ether ETF for the SEC, which is going to be third or fourth of one of these. And the biggest hack of the year, Mixin Network loses nearly 200 million in hack. This is actually the number one news for the last year. The biggest scam, the hack of the network. And the Binance. Yesterday, the Bitcoin price in the future market drops down to $2,000, $2,700, which later on, CZ tweeted that this is the only problem to showing the price on the chart. There is no market feelings. I hope he says like that. It's true. So nothing very scary for the market. Binance, another news about it is it exits Russia and they start Belgium once again. So they exited on the Russia market and they start Belgium once again. And also Binance is starting some new stable coins with the Japanese banks. Very interesting. And also Chase Bank. Chase Bank stops their crypto services in England as the second biggest bank in the UK. That's it. That's it for this week. I'm trying to improve myself in the recording of the videos and explaining. Be sure that I'm going to post more educational later on, maybe some live streams, trades. Let me tell you let me tell you my swing trade idea for the next couple of weeks on the BTC. Actually, I told, but I'm going to do it again. Good areas for buying, low risk. Again, this is not a financial advice. This is just educational purpose only. At this support, we had a very nice big candle which can shows us we can break the trend line. No risk entry around here. If we had, it was good, but it passed. Again, here, a very low entry can be good for a long. Your stop loss is going to be, let me go to the weekly. Your stop loss is going to be around 24, 25. The TP maximum and the TP2, that's going to be a very small, low risk trade. And if it's for the short, we will see the opportunities, but below this candle here, we can have the TP around here or somewhere here. So it's going to be something like that. The stop loss above 27,500 and the TP around, let's say 24,400 or 500. Forget the risk reward ratio. I paid a lot for that. You just have to have the risk, very good risk management. I'm gonna upload the video about it very soon. And forget the risk reward, but your stop losses should be around here and your TP here. I'm not into the shorts or the crypto, never I was. So there is no short for me. Even if the price comes down, I will add more to my trade. My stop loss again is going to be around here. And my first TP is here and second, and if it's very good here. But we have had this in mind. If this goes very fast to the top, it's going to be the very powerful sign for us to go up to the market. But if it's go very gradually, we can have touch here and then break the market to this area again. Again, I'm saying all of these are probabilities. You have to have this in my mind, in our mind. Actually, I have in my mind. You can have it for yourself. Hope you got something important in these videos. I'm gonna upload every week and another video for the gold. Be safe in the market. See ya.